If your AI assistant could not only answer questions but also connect to your enterprise systems, retrieve live business data, and perform real actions for you. That's exactly what we are exploring in this video. Today we will see how Microsoft Copilot Cowork connect with enterprise platform like Microsoft Dynamics and other systems using powerful Cowork plugins. If you want to learn the basics of Copilot Cowork, common use cases, or built-in skills, make sure to check out my other video first. Let's jump to real demo from here. Open Cowork. You can see option over here, manage plugins. Click on browse plugins. You can see many plugins are here. More plugins are coming soon. And if a plugin is not available, your admin can deploy it for you, like any other app of Microsoft 365 from Admin Center. In our demonstration, we are using Dynamics 365 Customer Service plugin, which got the skill for case management and connectors. So we have to enable or disable plugin from here, and for settings, because we have multiple environments, we have to choose which environment we want to connect. Let's go to Microsoft Dynamics. We can see we have a lot of cases. We also have resolved cases. Take a scenario where we want to open and resolve case and we want to do some modification and to want to communicate back to customer. So all you can do from this interface, but you have to open the case, reactivate the case, then do modification, then communication. Lot of steps and lot of windows you have to go from here and there. Now you can do everything that you're doing from this interface from Microsoft Copilot itself using the Cowork agent. So as we mentioned, we have enabled this plugin. So plugin expand Copilot Cowork capabilities. Let me write a prompt. So this is my prompt. Find case for software bug issue. If it is resolved, reopen this case, set priority to high, and draft email for apology for the misunderstood closing. So you can notice that we are opening a case, we are modifying some fields, and we are also drafting email for communication with the customer. So many things, so many steps all together we are doing in Dynamics CRM are from Cowork agent itself. Let me hit the send button. You can see the thought process of the agent. You can see the steps that it's taking. For updation of case, human is in loop, so it is asking for approval. Let me approve this one. You can see the plan of action over here. So you can see that case is reopened, priority set to high, and an email is also drafted. Let's recheck the action taken by Cowork in Dynamics. Go to cases, go to resolved cases. Please notice that software bug issue case is not in resolved list now. It should be active now. Go to active cases and find for software bug issue. You can see that this case is active now, and also priority is set to high. Also Cowork agent drafted an email. So as per our requirement, our workflow, multiple steps taken by Cowork agent in Dynamics itself. I hope it's quite useful. You are able to do so many things in Dynamics CRM without opening it. Let's open new session. Click on Cowork. Let's consider another scenario. Please fetch all open cases and opportunities for all the customer and suggest a strategy to close them ASAP and categorize them as per priority and also prepare a PPT to show me to leadership. This prompt is a little more complex than previous prompt. So apart from doing the work in dynamic CRM, is also preparing PPT based on data from the CRM. You can see the thought process and execution plan. Again, as I mentioned earlier, you do not need to be stay here on this window to see how it's working. You can do some other work in parallel and come back to Cowork agent and see once task is finished. So based on our request, is able to fetch all open case and opportunities and then categorize as the priority and able to make PPT. Let's open this PPT. Let's carefully review the content of PPT, which Cowork fetched from the CRM itself. Quite useful. So from here you can guess the power of Cowork agent. Instead of manually searching records, navigating different screens, or performing repetitive actions, we can now ask Copilot Cowork to help us directly use enterprise data from Dynamics 365 and many other applications using plugins. Thank you.